Hi, I am Dr. Eli Kolberg from Animated Robotics. In this video, I will talk about lamp types, part 1. Incandescent lamp is commonly built of a glass casing that contains filament made of tungsten. Electrical current flows through the filament and heat it to a temperature high enough to produce light. Incandescent lamps contain glass base that is attached to the bulb's bottom. It enables the electrical contacts to connect to the case with no gas or air leaks. Small wires that are embedded in the base support the filament wire and the wires that leads to the filament. The glass body contains vacuum or inert gas in order to prevent and protect the filament from dissipating. Next figure presents incandescent lamp and its components. Number 1 is the lamp's glass. Number 2 is the inert gas. Number 3 is tungsten filament. Number 4 shows the contact wire to the leg. Number 5 shows contact wire to the base. Number 6 is supporting wires. Number 7 is the glass base. Number 8 is the basic contact wire. Number 9 is a screw thread and one electric contact. Number 10 is the second electric contact. Fluorescent lamp is a lightweight lamp in which mercury vapors. It uses the fluorescent property, a feature of producing visible light as a result of exposure to external radiation or particles bombing. Electric current that flows in the gas excites the mercury vapors that produce ultraviolet radiation by an electric discharge process. The ultraviolet radiation causes the phosphor coating of the internal glass to screen visible light. Fluorescent lamp converts electric energy to light energy with higher efficiency than that of an incandescent lamp. Next figure presents fluorescent lamp structure. From left side we see the connecting pins, the metal cover, glass base, coil electrode, argon or krypton gas, liquid made of mercury, phosphor cover, and glass cover. When high enough voltage is fed to the electrodes, positive electrode is one side and negative electrodes in the other side, a strong electrical field is created. Small amount of the current that flows through the electrodes hit the electrode coil. The wires are coated with oxide. As a result of the strong electric field, sufficient amount of electrons is created. The electrons accelerate from the negative electrode, which is the cathode, to the positive electron, which is the anode. During the free electrons movement, an emission process is produced. The basic emission process has 3 steps. 1. Free electrons are produced from the electrodes and they are accelerated by the electric field created in the lamp. 2. The kinetic energy of the free electrons is converted into an excitation energy of the gas atoms. 3. The excitation energy of the gas atoms is converted into radiation. During radiation, an ultraviolet beam with a period of 253.7 nanometer is created with low pressure of mercury vapors. In order to create an ultraviolet beam with a period of 253.7 nanometers, the lamp temperature is kept to be between 40 to 46 degrees Celsius. Thank you very much for being with me. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.